Hi, this is Handy Doctor. We all know about Amazon and we probably all spend quite a lot of money on it. Today, I am going to talk about one of its programs that you may not have heard of. It's called Amazon Renew. If you say, what is that? Well, according to Amazon, for products that they receive as return, they sometimes inspect them, test them, and put them back for sale again with a discount, of course. And that program is called Amazon Renew. And this is one I get for a friend. We use the exact same products in my house for more than 1.5 years already. And my friend wants to use the same one, and I realized that you can buy it for a much lower price. Okay, so for this smart doorbell, the full retail price is $150. Currently, Amazon has a coupon, make it to 100, but this Renew one is 63. So even according to the discounted new price 100, this is almost another 40% discount. So I said, why not try it? So we decided to get one and see how it could look like. This is what I get. Honestly, you could not even tell that this is a renew or refurbished products. So let's open it up and have a look. Alright, so look like that. Again, it still look like new. This one look like the menu. And you can obviously open it up. Okay, it is the menu with the sticker inside. And the piece of paper saying that this is Amazon Renew. I guess that's all. And there is the doorbell over here. Okay, this is the outdoor piece, and this is the charm. And like I told you, we use the same one. They really look the same as mine actually when we bought it new. Okay, and there are some other stuff, some accessory out here. Okay, and we'll see. Yep. Okay. There is not even any scratch on it, which I'm really happy about, obviously. So it really indeed look like new. And for 40% discount, I think this is a good deal. Of course, small drawback here is you don't have manufacturer warranty anymore. But Amazon give you a 90 days free return warranty. I don't feel too bad about it. You know, I personally will buy it honestly in the future. Of course, you know, probably not every time it is this good. But again, with 90 days free return, if the one you receive happen to be bad, we can just return it, can't we? Or, you know what, it came in good, but it broke after a while, then we can still return it. So, to me, I really like it. You can tell me what you think in the comment sections. If you say, hey, where do I get the Amazon Renew? Well, I put a link in the description for you. For your convenience, you can go to check it out. It has pretty much everything that Amazon sells as new. Anyway, so if I help you save some money today, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your watching. Bye bye.